Mid-century modern design is more than just a style. It's a celebration of clean lines, organic shapes, and smart functionality. But what truly defines this timeless look? How can you bring its perfect balance of retro charm and modern simplicity into your home? Let's explore what makes mid-century modern decor so enduringly popular. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. Which colors are essential for mid-century modern interiors? Mid-century modern spaces often feature a muted base of warm neutrals. Think whites, beiges, and grays, paired with bold pops of color like mustard yellow, burnt orange, avocado green, and teal. These vibrant accents breathe life into the space without overwhelming the eye. The palette is inspired by nature, reflecting the era's fascination with organic and earthy tones. Love these retro hues? Show some love. What role do textures play? Textures in mid-century modern interiors add depth and comfort without clutter. Smooth wooden surfaces contrast with soft fabrics like tweed or leather upholstery. The tactile interplay keeps the space interesting while maintaining the clean aesthetic. Like this texture blend? Tap like to see more. What mistakes should be avoided? Avoid cluttering the space with too many ornate items or heavy furniture. Mid-century modern is about balance. Too much boldness can overpower its simple elegance. Keep the room airy, with intentional pieces that complement rather than compete. Have you tried this style? Share your experience. What materials are commonly used? Natural woods such as teak, walnut, and oak dominate the furniture choices, valued for their warm tones and durability. Metals like brass or chrome add sleekness, while glass and molded plastics introduce modernity and versatility. The mix of these materials gives mid-century modern its distinctive blend of warmth and industrial edge. Enjoy this natural mix? Give it a thumbs up. What is mid-century modern interior decor? Mid-century modern is a design movement from the 1940s to the 1960s that emphasizes simplicity, minimalism, and integration with nature. Its hallmark is functional furniture with sleek, geometric shapes combined with natural materials, designed to fit modern living without unnecessary decoration. This style champions the idea that good design should be accessible, practical, and beautiful all at once. Like the timeless vibe? Hit that like button. Can mid-century modern be mixed with other styles? Yes, it blends well with Scandinavian, industrial, or even bohemian decor. The key is to maintain the focus on clean lines and functional pieces while adding texture or warmth from other styles to keep the space inviting. Love this mix? Tap like. What about wall decor? Walls often feature bold, graphic art, sunburst mirrors, or wood paneling. These elements add interest and warmth, while echoing the style's geometric and organic influences. Minimalism rules, so art is never overdone. Inspired to update your walls? Like this tip. Is mid-century modern suitable for small spaces? Definitely. The emphasis on simplicity and clutter-free environments means the style works well in compact homes. Its multi-purpose furniture and open layouts make rooms feel airy and spacious, maximizing utility without sacrificing style. Know someone in a small space? Share this tip. How important is lighting in this design? Lighting plays a vital role, often with sculptural forms like globe pendants, tripod floor lamps, and arc lamps. Materials like brass or matte black metal bring sophistication, while large windows keep spaces bright and connected to the outdoors. The balance of natural and artificial light enhances the room's openness. Love this lighting style? Hit like to continue. How do patterns fit in? Patterns are usually geometric or abstract and appear sparingly. Think starbursts, chevrons, or simple stripes on cushions or rugs. These subtle touches keep the space dynamic but still true to the minimalist roots of the style. Enjoy this pattern play? Give a thumbs up. How do you recognize mid-century modern furniture? Furniture in this style features clean lines, gentle curves, and tapered legs. Pieces are both aesthetically pleasing and ergonomic, designed with functionality at their core. Iconic chairs, such as the Eames lounge chair or the Noguchi coffee table, showcase the blend of craftsmanship and innovation that defines the era. Planning a furniture update? Save this idea now. How do accessories enhance mid-century modern spaces? Accessories are chosen carefully. Sculptural vases, vintage clocks, or minimalist art add personality without overcrowding. Each piece tells a story or serves a purpose, reinforcing the design's respect for both beauty and function. Found this helpful? Share it with a friend. Mid-century modern design is more than just a style. It's a celebration of clean lines, organic shapes, and smart functionality. But what truly defines this timeless look? How can you bring its perfect balance of retro charm and modern simplicity into your home? Let's explore what makes mid-century modern decor so enduringly popular.